This video is going to show you how to see what geography was used to create a territory, and then also how to convert it to the same geography as other territories on your map. So you may run into the time where you create most of your territories by county, but then along the way, somehow a territory got created by state. And they really need to be on the county layer if you want everything to be congruent and to be able to export everything at the same time. So what I'm going to do is go up to the data window here to just double check my work to confirm that the territories were made by a mixture of counties as well as states. So I'm going to click this little pull down list, and you'll see little arrows, little black arrows next to the different geographic layers. And if you click on it, it'll expand it out and it'll show you which territory was made by county, or in this case, if I click the one next to states, I'm going to see that my Missouri territory is made by states. And what I'm looking to do is to convert this Missouri territory made by the state layer, convert it into a territory made by counties, just so it's easy for exporting. So to do this, I'm going to just go ahead and close out of this, and I'm going to just click in my territory. This select geography box pops up, and this is the program asking, are you looking to click on the entire territory or just the state of Missouri? I'm going to just choose my entire territory, and I'm going to click close. On this next toolbar, I'm going to choose my search button, and we're going to essentially create a duplicate territory for Missouri, this time made up of counties. So I'm going to choose counties, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. I have to see if it's the same territory. So I'm going to I do have the same name, so I'm going to just go ahead and just call it Missouri Territory 1. I'm going to go back and edit the name later. I just can't have a duplicate of the same name. I'll go ahead and click create. And now I have created a light blue territory made by county. I can see that it's listed here. I can also see that my state county for my state territory for Missouri is there as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete my Missouri territory. So I'm going to click in the data window. I'm going to click on this Manage Territories. And I'm going to get this box that pops up. And I'm going to go to Territories Aligned with State. And I'm going to see my Missouri territory here. And I'm just going to delete it. While I'm at it, I'm going to go back here, Territories Assigned by County. And I'm going to just remove the 1. I'm going to just edit that name by clicking on the little pencil and click Update. Now I can click Close, and everything is fixed. So now I have my Missouri territory graded by counties, and it's next to my Illinois territory and Indiana 1 and 2. Now the next problem I want to solve is what happens if, let's say, Indiana 1 incorporates the territory of Indiana 2. What I can do is I can just click on Indiana 2, select what geography box pops up, and this is a program asking, are you looking to click on all of Indiana 2 or just Morgan County? In this case, I'm going to say all of Indiana 2, and I'm going to choose this Merge Territories button. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select my other territory, Merge Territories, and I'm going to merge it into Indiana 1. So this Indiana 1 is the one that I want to be left over with. So what I did once again is I clicked on both territories, Merge Territories, choose Indiana 1 as to be the one left, and I'm going to click Merge. Now I'm just left with my one Indiana territory made up by county. If I want to go in the data window, I can see my individual territory. I can change the color here if I wanted to, and I can choose to export. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks and have a great day.